what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Big Brad. Today we just landed in Honduras. I feel amazing, man. I slept pretty much all day yesterday. We got back from Belize at like 3:30, maybe 4. As soon as we got back, I went to sleep. Woke up at like 7, went to get something to eat. Back at 8, went to sleep again, and I did not wake up until 8 this morning. So I slept a lot. I'm back refreshed. I might be able to get a drink today. I don't know. I might take it easy. So we about to go upstairs, get our breakfast, and we're gonna see what Honduras is looking like. Fit check, you know what I mean? I just got the little gray muscle shirts with them trunks. Whatever. And then once again, we got the Crocs on, man. Yep, that's it. You see, I got the blue shades on too. Yes, sir, with the chain on, man. Got my friendship belt bracelets on too. I'm gonna give one of these out. Yes, sir. As you can see, it's raining, or it was raining. It got a little wet, so it's raining once again. It was raining in Belize, now raining here in Honduras. Kinda sucks. But I will say Honduras looks very nice, like just very aesthetically pleasing. Just ate my breakfast. I feel good. I slept a lot last night, so let's get this shit going. All right, y'all, we done made it to Honduras. Beautiful. Look at the mountains, the trees, nice looking water. People getting massage over there. That's tough.
Welcome to Honduras. What's the other one? I don't want no scrubs. Scrubs is got a thing. Get no love from me.
Alright, y'all, we about to ride some jet skis.
Where's that?
Yeah, y'all. Got my little attachment so I can record some videos.
His phone gonna be fucked up. He ain't got one of these. Yeah.
What do you want?
My phone gonna be straight, alright? Jet skis in Honduras. This shit is a vibe. The views, man. The view is crazy. The mountains, the beach right here, bro. Look at my family right there. Got the ocean out here, bro. The sun is out. Look at this, bro. This is fire. It don't get much better than this, you know what I'm saying?
Please, sir, I want some more.
Yo, look at this house, though. This house hard. You feel me? Jared, bro, 1 through 10, what's your experience talking about?
I liked it a lot better than the first two. So probably I get the first one a 6. I get the second one like a 7.8. So I give this like a 8.9.
Yeah.
8.9. 9.
Yeah, 9. What about you, Tyra?
9.
Yeah.
Not
It was really
for
good.
sure.
The food was good. Jet ski was good.
Want to explore it a little more, but people are nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the scenery is a
Scenery's
lot
nice.
better. Like you look over there, bro.
Yeah.
Like, dude, I ain't gonna lie, yeah, this is the best one.
Yeah.
By far.
Yeah, I gave it like a 9.3,
We'll see what Cozumel got.
Yeah,
It
we'll
is
see.
9. I
Nine?
wish we had more time.
Yeah. Like the scenery, food, everything was good, though. Giving you a bracelet?
Bruh.
All right, back to the ship we go. Yeah. Just made it back to the room. 9 out of 10, bro. Very good experience. Wish we could have had more time, but you know, with the time that we had, it was great experience. We were riding on the bus for a little bit. Got to see this, you know, the city of Roatan, Honduras. Very beautiful. I love the trees there. The trees are nice. It's a nice vibe. Gives you a nice tropical vibe to it. The food was good too. We ate. Jet skis was definitely 10 out of 10 experience. They like guided us to a certain area, and then once we got to that area, we could have went wherever. And that shit was cool, bro. It was a crazy vibe out there. I still got my clothes on, about to go hit the hot tub with my cousins. Feeling good. Yeah, it's a good day so far, bro. Alright, we're sailing off. Ooh, we just landed in Cozumel today. This morning. Margaritaville. Cozumel, man. Oh. Hey. Yeah. Oh, God damn it.